Hello everyone, Sheila back again. I've already had a little video explaining to you about a YouTube audio library scam, which I think it's a scam. I haven't heard anything back from them, because if there had been any copyright on any music I used, it would have come up as copyright on the video when I put it up. It would have restricted me getting any revenue from it. And I've checked every single video on my all of my 4 channels, and there's none of them has any copyright on. But that's another video. I'm doing a little bit, and I think that got me so annoyed. I started knitting. This is what I'm doing for another one I'm doing for Patricia. I'm doing a little bit of this in the afternoon and a bit of this one for my friend Anne. So I'll be taking that to bingo with me tonight. If I make any mistakes, it'll be on hers. But I made a mistake on this. Is the rosebud lace. This one. And you know, this one, when I did this cardigan, when I started with the ball, the colour came out of the purple. It's actually not as dark as it looks on this picture, but it came out with the like the purpley lilac. It looks purple, but it's actually lilac. But when I started this one, when I wound up this ball, it came out with the cream at the bottom. But I was knitting away, and I think I got so annoyed about that email I got about the audio thing and that, and I'm knitting away, and I've done the first lot of, you can't see them on there, the first lot of the rosebuds on the bottom of the cardigan, and then I knit it's like 5 rows altogether. There's a pearl row, then 4 rows after that before you start the rosebud again. And I went nearly all the way across the row, and I should have done a rosebud on the next row. I should have done a rosebud and had 1 stitch left, which meant I should have had 6 stitches to do the rosebud and 1 stitch left, but I only had 5 stitches. And I checked all the way across all the other rosebuds on the way down. I thought I must have done a mistake on one of those other rosebuds, and I checked all the way around, could not find it anywhere. And I'm checking all the stitches, because there are 3 stitches between each rosebud, and the next rosebud goes in the very centre, so one particular stitch goes down on that middle stitch, and those 3 stitches, and they were all exactly like that. There was the 3 stitches in between, they were all in the right place and that. But the rosebuds from quite early on the row, quite early on around about here, started going off. There were 1 stitch, they were on the end stitch instead of the middle stitch. And it took me ages to work it out, and then I suddenly found out what I'd done. Don't know whether you can see, but I will show you. You can see the rosebuds there. There's the 2 little holes and the one at the top. That one there, I've got 2 little holes, but no hole at the top. But I've knitted the 2 stitches together and not made the stitch. That was probably when I was going on about that email. So I am having to take it out, those 5 rows, to get down to that row where I've done that stitch wrong. And it's like, this is how I'm taking it out. It's 1 stitch at a time. I'm pulling it. I'm on the wrong side. Yes, I'm pulling, just going 1 stitch at a time. I'm quite quick at doing it when I do it. It's not take me that long, but it's annoying when you've done that many rows before you've noticed a mistake. So that's what I'm doing anyway. I'm pulling those rows out. I could just take it off the needle and just pull those rows out, but it's a bit painstaking picking stitches up when they're not on the needle. It's easier, probably quicker for me just to do it like this. It'll not take me that long. But anyway, I've been out in my garden this morning. Well, it was this afternoon actually. I had my lunch early again and I went out about 12:30 and I managed to get all my lawns cut, and it took me an hour and a half. So it took me from 12:30, 2 o'clock I think it was, around it's about 2, and I was just cleaning the lawnmower and the rain started. So it's a good job I went out when I did. Had an early lunch. If I'd started earlier, half an hour later, like I might have done, like after I'd had my lunch, a normal time and that, I would have been in the middle of doing it, and I would have had to stop in the middle because you can't be using electric tools when it's raining. But it turned out lovely and sunny afterwards. But that's as much as I managed anyway, because I had thought about turning over some of the soil on that last patch I have to do, and I've got the wool on the wrong side. I'll have to take the stitches off the needle to get it out. When you're using circular needles, you have to have the wool on the right side when you're knitting, or else it comes under the cable and you've got to keep pulling it out. So anyway, my lawns are all cut now, and I didn't have time because the rain started, because my front garden lawn and the little one I have at the top of my patio needs the edging done because I get clumps of soil sticking over the side and that. I never had time to do that till the rain started, and it was quite heavy for a little while. But then, like I said, the sun came out and it was lovely for a while. But I'm not doing anything. I'm going to my bingo tonight. That's enough for one day. So I'm just going to do this when I pull these rows out, get them sorted out, and do the right stitch. Have to find out where that one was. I don't know whether it was on the. No, it would have to be near the start of the row. I've got to pull the whole row out where I've. It's right at this near the start of the row, the third rosebud. I thought if it was at the end of the row, there wouldn't have been too many stitches, but I have to pull those stitches out where I've knitted two together as well, so I have to be careful when I do that. It'll not take me long. I'm quite flying along quite now doing this. And I'd like to thank the lady. She has a different name on the YouTube, but she goes by Josie. And she actually gave me what you call a super thanks on my channel. And she paid me a little bit money. The very first super thanks I've ever had on my channels. I don't think I put that on till recently, when YouTube was kept sending me messages and telling me I was entitled to memberships and super chats and super stickers and super all sorts, super thanks. And I hadn't a clue where it was, so I just clicked it, and apparently it was so someone could, it's like a donation, someone put some on my channel. So thank you very much, Josie, for the very first super thanks I've ever had on my channel. But mind you, YouTube does take their bit out of it as well. When anybody gives you that, you don't get the full amount that they put on. I think YouTube takes quite a bit out of it. And that's why they keep messaging you and telling you you're entitled to things like that, is so that you will do. So anyway, that was that. I'm just going to do one can of this knitting before I get my tea, before I go to pick my friends up for bingo. At least I won't be doing any of Anne's knitting tonight. She hasn't started anything else. she'll probably be telling me what she's going to start knitting for Knitting Natter on Monday. So I'll be having a look at, she's got all of my patterns. Like, I'll tell her, look through all the patterns and tell her which is the easiest one to work on, instead of the last one that I had to do all that for her to put it right. And all this wool is just lying on the side beside me that I'm pulling out. I'm going to have to knit it up quickly to get it up and finished. And so I thought I would have had, with that email, doing the garden and then getting that email, which really annoyed me, set me back a little bit. And then I had actually finished all the pieces for the little one I was doing for the tutorial, and all I have to do is the neck and the bands and do the rest of the tutorial, but I didn't get around to that, so that's probably going to be tomorrow. So hopefully I have another two rows to pull out. I'm making you all suffer the same as me as I'm pulling this out. Until to the end of the row. So, a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So, bye for now.